When it comes to restoring your hazy, fogging headlamps back to looking like new again, you can do them yourself with a headlight restoration kit or utilize Transhine's exclusive headlight restoration process. We have been fixing hazy headlamps for over 15 years, and it's our exclusive 4-part process that completely restores and protects them for 10 years. We have seen the restoration kits you can buy, and most will make the headlamps look a little better, but none will make them crystal clear or keep them that way. It's real simple. Most jobs require an aggressive approach to removing the hazing film. But while preparation and restoration of the lens is vital, it's the protection we apply afterwards that keeps the lenses looking new. We apply a clear polyurethane film over the restored headlight, which guarantees to keep your headlights clear for 10 years. The film also protects the lenses from rock pitting and road debris. This film coating application is what sets us apart from do-it-yourself kits, homemade gimmicks, and other detailers. We stand behind our product and service. Our work is backed by our 10-year warranty on the clarity of your headlamps.